Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. I'm doing an unboxing and I started it and opened the box up and realized I didn't have any sound. So I ordered a few paintings from Diamond Art Club, and what I'll do is I did order 3 paintings, but I'll make them separate videos so that way it's kind of a surprise for each one. And it has its own little video. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this to the side. My apologies for the squeaky chair if you hear it. So one of the first paintings I ordered is Mer de Lis. These are gifts, so I have them as a gift. And one of my friends loves the mermaids, and so I think she'll really enjoy this. And it's Diamond Art Club. So just get the packaging off here. And once again, this is Mer de Lis. Hopefully my camera will focus so you can see that. It's not really focusing that great, but okay. So this is a nice toolkit, nice plastic bag that's reusable. And let me see here. And then there's the 3-placer for the drill pin. Goes right in there. And a nice blue squishy for the drill pin. And a few extra baggies here. And a couple of the little heart-shaped wax. And a nice little clear boat. Okay, so I will put this off to the side. I don't recall how big this is. Let me just take a peek here. The size is 50 centimeters by 28 centimeters. So I'll put everything back together here for the friend I'm going to give that to, or give this to. And we'll take a look at the canvas. And the drills. Okay. So I'll put that right up there. So we'll go ahead and open up the canvas first. I love the canvases, they feel so soft. Okay. And now they include the nice little strip of the DMC color list legend. So if you wanted to do label maker, much nicer to be able to label your containers for your drills. And then a nice little store and instructions. Just put that to the side there. This is so pretty and very colorful, so I hope she likes it. I'm pretty sure she will. I'm pretty sure she'll love it. It is very pretty. Very nice. take a look at the drills themselves. And this is a square painting, square drill painting. I'm hoping I can get them back in here. But I did want to show all the beautiful colors. That are in here. This is going to be so gorgeous. Oh, she is going to love this one. $33.71. And just a couple bags of the 310s. Nice. So, yeah. Like I said, this is a gift, and I'm hoping that my friend that diamond paints, she's never had a diamond art club, and she is going to love it. Oh my goodness. And these other colors. I cannot believe I almost didn't show you some of these other colors. Look at all that. All these colors in this painting are just beautiful. It's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So excited. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing this and all the beautiful colors that are going to go with it. And I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Take care.